Have you ever walked away from a conversation, feeling confused, questioning yourself, or wondering, maybe I'm just being too sensitive? Pause. The truth is, emotional abuse doesn't always leave bruises. Sometimes it leaves confusion, self-doubt, fear, and over time, it slowly changes the way you see yourself. Today, we're talking about 15 subtle signs of emotional abuse that are often overlooked. My hope isn't to make anyone suspicious of every disagreement. Healthy relationships have conflict. Instead, this video is about helping you recognize unhealthy patterns so you can make informed, healthy decisions. Let's begin. 1. You constantly question your own memory. Someone keeps telling you that never happened. You're imagining things. You're remembering it wrong. Over time, you begin trusting their version of events more than your own. 2. You apologize, even when you haven't done anything wrong. You find yourself saying, "I'm sorry," just to keep the peace. 3. You begin walking on eggshells. You carefully think through every word because you're afraid of their reaction. 4. Your confidence slowly disappears. The person may never directly call you worthless, but somehow, you no longer recognize the confident person you used to be. If any of these signs sound familiar, please don't panic. The purpose of this video isn't to diagnose your relationship. It's to give you language for experiences that can otherwise feel confusing. Let's continue. 5. They minimize your feelings. You're overreacting. You're too emotional. It's not that serious. Instead of feeling heard, you begin feeling dismissed. 6. Everything somehow becomes your fault. Even problems they created become your responsibility to fix. 7. You stop bringing up concerns because every conversation turns into an argument. Silence begins feeling safer than honesty. 8. They criticize you more than they encourage you. Small comments, little jokes, constant correction. Eventually, those words begin shaping how you see yourself. 9. You feel emotionally exhausted, even after spending just a short amount of time together. 10. They isolate you, not always by saying, "Don't see your friends." Sometimes it's much more subtle. They make visiting family feel guilty, or friendships become a problem. 11. Your needs always come last. Their emotions, their schedule, their wants always take priority. 12. You no longer feel like yourself. You look in the mirror and wonder, where did I go? 13. You feel relief when they're not around. That doesn't automatically mean the relationship is unhealthy, but it's worth paying attention to. 14. You keep hoping they'll return to the person they were at the beginning. You find yourself holding on to memories instead of today's reality. 15. You constantly feel confused. One day you're loved, the next day you're ignored. You never know which version of the relationship you're going to experience. If you recognized several of these signs, please remember this. One difficult conversation doesn't automatically mean emotional abuse. Healthy relationships have disagreements. The difference is that healthy relationships seek understanding, accountability, respect, and repair. If you consistently feel smaller, more anxious, more confused, or less like yourself over time, those feelings deserve your attention. You deserve relationships where respect, kindness, and emotional safety are present. If today's video helped you put words to something you've been feeling, I hope you'll join our Divine Sparkles family by liking this video and subscribing. Every week, we share stories, encouragement, and practical conversations about healing, healthy relationships, emotional growth, and learning to choose yourself with wisdom. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Which sign stood out to you the most, and why? Your story could encourage someone else who needs to know they're not alone. Until next time, take care of your heart, protect your peace, and remember, healthy love should help you grow, not make you disappear. I'll see you in the next video.